What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to do an unboxing of the Geonfino 5G smart lock. So pretty much this is a 5G smart lock. So this allows you to type in a PIN and unlock it with keys or unlock it with some cards. Then you get their gateway connection that you can connect this lock to. It has IP65 rating. So it's an app that comes with this device, easy installation. And I'll have to come back on a later date with this installed because first I have to see where I actually want to put this on what door and so on and so on. But like I said, this includes G2 gateway, connect 5G smart lock to the G2 gateway and access your door remotely. So say if somebody is at my doorstep, but they forgot, they don't have my password, or they don't have the key, or they don't have the card to get in the door, I can unlock the door from where I am with my smartphone, and that is very, very neat. So it says enjoy anywhere access with the app. Program your lock in seconds. It has lock and unlock, add delete access codes, turn on auto locking settings, auto locking time period, send one-time key or password to others. So this works for Android and iPhone. So this should be a nice little device to have on your door, especially if you want to change your door locks to smart locks. This would be really cool for your smart home if you want to do that. So it says it's mode. The mode is G5. The material is zinc. The size, it tells you the size. They sent me the black color, so it comes in black and silver. I'm glad they sent me over black. It has battery life, 12 months, 8,000 openings. Temperature range, so it can be minus 20 Fahrenheit or to 130 Fahrenheit. Geonfino. This is their address down here, and I will make sure I drop a link to their website to where you can go pick this up for yourself. And then for the gateway, it's mode G2. Dimensions, it tells you the dimensions. It tells you the network Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigs, so on and so on. So now we're going to just cut open this bad boy, and we're going to see what they sent me over. We're going to look at the products of what they sent. Let me be careful because I need to put this back in the box until I'm ready to install it, whenever that may be. So pretty much this says Geonfino. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm sorry. But this is just some information you get about your gateway. This is about your gateway. I'm going to have to read that. And then this information here is just showing you how to connect it to your door. So I'm going to put all of this little information back in here because, like I said, this is just an unboxing right now. But I will eventually come back and show you how it works and what it looks like installed. So now let's get to the goodies. So pretty much here is your lock. This is your door lock right here. This has a lot of weight to it. So it has some tape on it. You can pull that off. This is your touch screen because this is how you would put in your keypad. This is where you would put in the keypad numbers and use your chip. Or you can also use keys with this. So this is what the back looks like to connect it to your door. This is very, very weighty. I'm just going to sit that down carefully right there. I don't want to mess up anything before I actually get to install it and use it. So now here is your cables. This is USB-C to USB, as you can see. It's nice to have. Then here is your gateway device. So this is your gateway device. I believe this charges up your gateway device, so you can connect your door to your gateway device. This is nice. Nice, nice, nice. I believe, let's see what these are. I think these are the bolts and everything you need. Yep, that's what it is. This is everything you need for your door. But like I said, I don't want to take those out because I'm not going to install it just yet. And then you get your other side of the device. This is the doorknob to the device. So I believe it goes like this. I believe this goes into there somehow. But this will go on the inside of your door, of course, and then this part will be on the outside of your door. So this part is outside, this is inside. So I'm going to sit that down for a moment. There. See what we get. So yes, you get your little cards. So these little cards are where this can help you unlock your door. So say this was working, all you would do is touch it on here and boom, you're unlocked. And you also get 2 keys. And I'm sure I can go get more keys made for this if you don't want to use the smart area. If you don't want to use the keypad and don't want to use the cards, you do have access to using keys, and it will go into this. This does take batteries, but if your batteries die out, you'll still be able to unlock your door because you have keys. So pretty much this was just me unboxing and showing you a quick walk around the Geonfino 5G smart key lock. So stay tuned. I can't say how soon I'll be able to do the install because I have to find somebody to install it and so on and so on. But stay tuned because I will be back with more videos about this product. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.